and Rumesa.
Oh, I don't know.
Okay, everyone. So let's start the class. It seems like nobody will be joining. Let's take. Okay. So in the ray diagram, now we have the concave lenses. Okay. So first, ray diagram is very basic, just like the ray diagram we had in the previous cases, right? So the light ray will be passing through the lens, right? Because concave lens is a diverging lens, so it will basically refract the light rays in the diverging manner like this. Okay, spread out. Okay, Neha. Neha, could you please turn on the video?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sure. Okay, so it would be diverging like this. Is this clear, yes or no, everyone? So obviously these light ray are not going to meet in the forward direction because they are diverging. So what we have to assume is basically the light ray would be converged. Basically light rays originating from a common point. So that's why we have basically extended in the backward direction, and hence basically the light rays are parallel. So it will always converge at the focus, isn't it, everyone? Inan, Afrin, Neha.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, so here the image is forming would be virtual and direct because these light rays are not actually meeting. They are just basically appears to meet. That's why they are virtual and direct, and the size of the image would be highly diminished. Okay, everyone. So please note it down. Inan, why are you late?
Sir, I had some issues over my laptop as well.
Okay, okay. Please note it down, Inan. Please turn on the video.
So, 1 minute.
Sir, I have one doubt. Like, you had finished sign convention for me. So, like, after that, was it convex lens or concave lens?
Yeah, basically after that, basically mirror formula would be there. That would be a separate backup class for you. No need to worry about it. Okay. So right now
Okay.
you'll be basically continuing in the batch as well. Okay. And after that, you'll be having the backup classes.
Okay, sir.
Then Inan and Neha.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let's talk about the next case. Next case is basically when the object is between infinity and the optical center. So it doesn't matter where the object is placed. When you will place the object between infinity and the optical center, the, the image formed would be virtual and direct and diminished only. Okay. Yeah. So everyone's now see this thing. What I have to do is basically the light ray would be converging at the focus, right? This. Okay. So now what will happen basically if the light ray would be passing through the optical center like this. Okay. So as you can see, everyone, that these are the basically two intersection. This is the intersection point of the refracted light rays. So hence the image would be formed like this. Okay, everyone. This is the image form. So that's why you can see this thing. The image is forming in front of the lens. Okay. Or you can say on the same side of the object, and it is basically diminished in nature. Is this clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please note it down.
Done, sir.
Okay, that's great. Okay, so please note down the application. So application of the concave lenses are basically for using for correcting that myopia. And concave lens is also used in the Galilean telescope. It's a type of telescope, right? So you don't have to go in detail. And concave lens is also used with the different type of convex lenses to make the high instruments. Okay. Just a second. Done.
Just a minute.
Check.
Done.
Oh, check. Okay, so this is all about it. Okay, now let's talk about the lens formula. The lens formula is very similar to the mirror formula that we've studied in the mirror formula, right? So yeah, I think we have done the mirror formula questions as well, Neha,
Yes, sir.
right? So only difference would be basically in lens formula, the sign is negative between V minus U, and here the magnification would be V by. That's the only difference. But in that case, everyone, see this thing, now we are talking about the lenses. So light ray is going from one end to another end, right? So here, if you talk about the image formation of the convex lens, everyone, so see this thing, light ray, we are starting from optical center, you are going to the image that is in positive direction, right? So here, if the image is real for the lenses, then it would be positive in nature. Instead of mirror, it would be negative, right? So that's the difference between the image form, the mirror formula and the lens formula. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's great. So now let's do this question. I'll explain it to you. Okay. So the question is saying that basically a convex lens of focal length 10 centimeter is given. So convex lens has a positive focal length because the light rays are converging on the right hand side, isn't it? And it is placed at a distance of 12 centimeter from the wall. That means it is basically your image distance, not the object distance, because wall is a screen and convex lens is placed 12 centimeter from it. So it would be the image distance. Got it? So we have to calculate the object distance of the object distance of the object. Okay. So how would you find it out? So using the lens formula. 1 by u. This is coming out to be minus 1 by 60. Okay, Bachcha? So one, you have to calculate u. So it would be u would be equals to negative 60 centimeter. Is this clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Please note it down and let me know and try to solve the next question, everyone. If not, I'll explain it to you.
Sir, In the case
Yes.
of lens,
Hmm.
is it like the right side it is real and inverted, and left
Hmm.
side it is virtual and
Virtual
inverted?
indirect. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Sir, I got the second sample problem. I got VS
Mhm.
24 centimeter
That's right.
and height is 14 centimeter.
That's right. Okay, Neha, whenever you basically answer, please let me know in the chat, okay?
Oh, okay, sir. I'm sorry.
That's great. No worries, no worries. Well, in an answer,
Sir, 2 minutes.
Non-answer.
Sir, can I just say it or should I?
हाँ बता दो ऐसे ही है कि just say it.
Sir, I got height of the image as 14.
That's right. Negative or positive?
Positive.
Negative. It would be negative in an because it's V by U. So height would be basically it's 24 by 12
Oh.
minus 12. Okay.
Sir, I put you as just 12 and put the minus.
That's the reason you have got 12, 14. Okay, no worries, no worries. Please try to solve this question. Let me know the answer.
Yeah. Sir, can you scroll down a bit? I can't see
Sure.
the question. Sir, I have one question. Like,
Uh,
why in the case of convex lens, focal length is not negative and it's positive?
because in the image basically rays are converging on the right hand side. So when you go from optical center to right hand side, it would be positive, no?
So, the focal length of the left side don't matter.
Would be negative. No, that's the secondary focal length. Yeah. So in 10 standard, the primary focal length is in the right hand side. That is the thing that you will consider in this 12 in the 10 standard.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Sir, I have one doubt. The
Sure.
magnification for a mirror is negative V by U, but for lens
Yes.
it is positive V by U, right?
Positive. Yeah.
Okay.
But you have to use the sign convention, Neha. In that, you have to use the sign convention.
Okay. So should I send the answer in the chat?
In the chat. Yep, in the chat.
Okay. Sir, I sent it.
Didn't get it yet. Please check. Neha, again, I didn't get the answer yet.
So just a minute. So now,
Now I've got it. Now I've got it. Yeah, that's right. Inan, answer. Nan, answer.
Shall I
Okay,
send
Inan,
the
there's a
answer?
Okay, there's a mistake. You didn't mention the unit. That's what is minus 72, Inan? And
So
there's a
obvious.
mistake in the magnification as well. That is 1 by 3, not 3 only. Okay. Magnification is minus 1 by 3. You did a mistake. So the image distance is 24 and object distance is minus 72. So it would be 1 by 3. Okay. Got it? Okay, please try to solve the next one. Okay, I got the first answer from Neha. Okay, Neha, shake your hand. What about you, Inan? Do it fast, Vijay. Inan, answer. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, let's see who got the right answer. Nobody got the right answer. Neither Neha nor Inan. Neha got minus 0.7 centimeter, Inan got 30 centimeter in negative. How? I'm sure that you must have not taken the value of f as negative. Did you take the value of f as negative?
Yes,
Focal.
sir.
Okay, so I think you must have made any mistake. Maybe you have not converted the sign because negative of negative 1 by 50 would become positive 1 by 50. Inan, are you there?
Sir, I have one doubt.
Ha, sure.
Sir, uh, sir, distance can be in decimals because
It
minus
could be.
100 by 7.
It, it could be. Oh, like who said distance cannot be in decimal?
You know, like
It
till the
can
questions I
be.
have done till now,
Hmm.
not
Because doesn't
any.
matter if okay, Inan, it doesn't matter the question you have done. Basically, in every it's not like in every question the answer would be your complete integer. In different questions, different values would be there depending on the values given in the question and answer. It's not like the distance cannot be negative. It can be in negative. The focal length can be in
Same thing.
negative. Image can be in negative, and you can say object distance can be negative. Image distance could be negative. So all that, even the height of the object can be in decimals. Okay.
So, same thing happened to me last question. I got one minus 1 by 3 only, and this one I didn't. I got 1000 by minus 70, and I thought, how
That
can
means
it be
minus
in
100 by
decimals?
7.
Yeah.
No, no, that's distance can be in decimals. It's not like that. Please do this question and let me know the answer for it. I got the answer. See. Okay, now. What is the focal length, Inan? Focal length of it? Okay, I got it. Inan always mention the unit, but why don't you mention the unit? Yeah, yeah, that's right. No, there's a mistake you have made. It's 25 by 2, not 25 by 3. Yeah, it's 25 by 2.
Okay, sir.
Magnification, yeah. Magnification would be 1.2. So it's 0.5, that's correct. But it would be in positive, because the question has already said it's virtual image. So virtual image magnification would be positive, na? Inan, did you got the wrong answer? Even though Neha you also got the wrong answer for the magnification, because virtual image is there, so both are upright. So the magnification would be above basically a positive, because positive number shows that it is basically your virtual and erect. Yes or no?
Yes.
Sign convention discussion related to the magnification. Please do this question, Vishnu, and let me know the answer. After that, we'll end this class. Okay, Nan. What about you, Neha?
Sir, just a minute because I'm
Check,
getting
check,
the object distance as positive.
check it out.
Sir, I didn't understand this because I'm getting U as positive, but it should be negative.
Okay, let's check it out. देखो, in this question, the question is said focal length of a concave lens. So, Neha, did you take concave lens focal length as negative?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and at what? And basically 10 centimeter. So, did you take V as positive 10 or negative 10, Neha?
Positive 10.
Neha, negative because it's concave lens. So, image will be forming in front of the lens. It would be negative 10.
Oh,
That's why you are getting U as positive. Okay.
okay, sir.
Yeah, that's great. Okay, so you can do one thing. You can just try out one more time in the like on your own, and in the next class, if not, we'll discuss it together. Okay, and Neha.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so with this,
Sir, what
let's
is the
end this class,
answer?
Bachu. Yeah, that's the right answer, Inan. You've got.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So with this, let's end this class. And take care. Achha, one more thing. Magnification will not be correct, Inan, because the magnification cannot be equals to 1.
Sir, it is virtual image, right? +1.
Virtual, so it cannot be no, it cannot be equal size, and for the concave it will always be less than 1. Just a second. -15 and image is -10, so positive 10, 10 -30, and then it would be -30. The v would u would be equals to minus of 30. Please check your answer. Okay, I'm giving the answer. It would be